Black Shark gaming smartphone from Xiaomi that will be available soon. And now, the latest news is that the successor of this device, Black Shark 2, will hit the market on October 23. Nothing has been confirmed about the price or the specifications in the new teaser, but we already have the specifications of the next device. According to the list, the device will have the model number AWMAO and will show a full HD Plus screen of 5.99 inches with resolutions of 1080x2160 and an aspect ratio of 18:9. In addition, the screen is optimized with a range of colors up to 97% and also with DCI-P3. The phone will be powered by a large 4000 mAh battery like all smartphones for games, but it is not sure if it will support the latest fast-charging technology that should be revealed soon. Out of the box, it will come with Android pre-installed and will be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC along with Adreno 630 GPU. It is said that the Black Shark 2 has liquid cooling technology as we have seen with other smartphones for games and could come with 8 GB of RAM. The listing also showed the configuration of the vertical double rear camera at the rear end is expected to come with a fingerprint sensor. The next device will measure 160mm x 75.26mm x 8.7mm and we will know more about the device in the coming days. The predecessor of the Black Shark 2 had a price of 2,999 Chinese renminbi yuan, approximately Rs 32,000 in China for the variant of RAM of 6 GB, while the largest variant of 8 GB had a price of 3,499 Chinese renminbi yuan, approximately Rs 37,000.